A two-element series circuit is connected across an AC source. E is equal to 200 under root 2 sine omega t plus 20 degree volt. The current in the circuit then found to be I is equal to 10 under root 2 cos 314 t minus 25 degree ampere. Determine the parameters of the circuit. So two elements are connected in series. We have to identify parameters of the circuit. E is given and I is given. Solution. First we will write what is given. So E is equal to 200 under root of 2 sine omega t plus 20 degree volt. And I is given. I is equal to 10 under root of 2 cos 314 t minus 25 degree ampere. Now here this current is given in cosine form. We can convert this into its equivalent sine form. So this will be 10 under root of 2 sine 314 t minus 25 degree. This is as it is, then plus 90 degree. So this will be 10 under root of 2 sine 314 t, and this will be minus 25 plus 90 is 65 degree. So plus 65 degree ampere. This is the value of current I. Now from this voltage we can see that here the voltage is phase angle is positive and here the phase angle is also positive. So for voltage we can say voltage is leading reference quantity by 20 degree and current is leading reference quantity by 65 degree, and mutual phase difference is between the voltage and current is 65 degree minus 20 degree. So 65 degree minus 20 degree is equal to, this will be 65 minus 20 is 45 degree. So from here we can say that the current is leading. Now current is leading the voltage. Now this happens in case of RC series circuit. So we can say that the circuit is RC series circuit. So from this we can find the power factor. Power factor is equal to cos phi, and the angle phi is 40 degree. This is 45 degree. So this will be cos 45, and cos 45 is 0.707, and this will be leading. Then we have the impedance triangle. From impedance triangle, here we can see this is a opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. Now we have the formulas as sine phi is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So here opposite side is xc divided by hypotenuse is z. So we don't have the value of xc and z, but we have the value of power factor. So one more formula, cos phi is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent is r, this r divided by hypotenuse is impedance z. This is the impedance triangle for RC series circuit. Now cos phi, we know cos phi is 0.707. 0.707 is equal to r by z. Now we can find the value of z. Z is equal to V by I. So here V is we know the value of Vm and Im. So V is Vm by root 2 divided by Im by root 2. So this root 2 will get cancelled. So Vm by Im. Z is equal to Vm by Im. Now value of Vm is, from here we can see, this is in the form of V is equal to Vm sin omega t, and I is equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. So we can find the value of Vm and Im. So here we can see this is Vm 200 root 2. Vm is equal to 200 root 2 and Im is equal to, this is the value of Im, 10 root 2. 10 root 2 is the value of Im. Then from this we can find the value of Z. Z is equal to Vm by Im. So 200 root 2 divided by 10 root 2. So this root 2 will get cancelled. So Z is equal to 20. The unit of impedance is ohm. Now 0.707. So this will be 0.707 into impedance Z. So impedance Z is 20. This is the value of R. So R is equal to this value multiplied by 20. So it is 14.14. 14.14 ohm is the value of resistance. Then next we have to find the value of Xc. So we can use this formula, sin phi is equal to Xc by Z. Sin phi is equal to Xc by Z. We have the value of Z. Z is 20 ohm and sin phi. Phi, we know the value of phi. The mutual phase difference between voltage and current is 45 degree. So 45 is equal to XC upon Z. Z is again 20 ohm. So sine 45 into 20 ohm. 20 into sine 45. It is 14.14 again. So XC is equal to 14.14. The unit of capacitive reactance is 40 ohm. Now we have XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. Frequency is given. Frequency is not given. So we can take 50 Hertz as a frequency. So XC is 14.14 is equal to 1 by 2 pi F. F is 50 Hertz into C. So from this C will be C is equal to 1 upon 2 pi 50 into this value. So this will be 1 upon 2 pi into 50 into 14.14. 14.14. So this will be 2.25. 2.25 into 10 to the power minus 4. The unit of capacitance is farad, or we can write like this only. So this is the value of capacitance and this is the value of resistance.